Hi, I'm Taylor. I'm a cosmetology student at Rizzieri Aveda School, and I want to show you what you get in your kit. These are all the hot tools you get. They come from our Session Pro tools. You also get a Marcel iron and a pressing comb. These are all the brushes you get by our sessions in your kit, and this is my favorite. You also get 4 styling heads and these amazing Aveda products. These are all your cutting tools you get. You get a razor, some clippers, and a pair of scissors and thin shears. We also provide you with the tools to learn and create color. That's not even half of it. Contact Rizzieri Aveda School to enroll now.